साउंड आ रहा था बहुत ज्यादा. Anyway, okay, in the types of organizations also, I think I have discussed in the class, right? The types of organization, the basic concepts. Here, see, these things, basic computer organizations, data versus informations, right? Data versus informations and introduction to computer advantage, disadvantage, right? Kindly stop me. जहाँ पर नहीं होता hardware, software we have discussed, right? The functional components, arithmetic, control unit, these things we have discussed. I think we were there. एक minute, let me see. These things also input devices. Have we discussed in the classes? Arav Sharma. Right. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, OMR, sheets, OCR, MIS, MICR. MICR, what is the purpose of MICR? What is the purpose of MICR? Magnetic ink character reader. It is specially used for special kind of characters or the symbols. It is specially used to find the applications in the banks. Basically to process check. Okay, process checks, to process notes, currency, इन सब चीजों के लिए MICR, special kind of characters, special kind of symbol. Okay, if it is printed on a particular page or paper, right? So it will be able to understand about it. MICR, magnetic ink character reader, right? Using output devices, monitor, speaker and projector. I hope that you are able to understand that. Monitor, speaker and projector. Projector, so everyone knows about it. This is already implemented in the school, right? Speakers, monitors, everything. Kindly know about the definitions, right? Both input and output devices. USB drive. USB drive. What is USB drive? Who will tell me? Hello, good morning. USB drive. What do you mean by the USB? USB. Have you seen it? हाँ बोलो. Transfer data from one device to another. Exactly. Okay. Have you seen that in your computer labs? Yes, ma'am. In the computer lab, it is already fixed there. Okay. It is basically for saving the electricity as well. Okay. And receive or save data from a computer as an input, and it also sends the data to a computer to another device also. Facsimile, the fax machine, modems, everyone knows about it. Using for receiving or transmitting the data, okay, from one computer to another or with the telephone lines. Basically, for the purpose of internet transmission, right? And CD, ROM, CD and DVD, everyone knows. Touch screen is already connecting with the projector in our school, right? Headset. This is also in the AV lab. Is this okay? So all these things, the input and output devices already we have discussed. Okay. Have you got this PDF? ये वाला PDF मैंने सेंड कर दिया था बच्चों. चलो, I will send it today. Right. Kindly keep it. हाँ, अच्छा. मैं अभी इसको भेज देती हूँ. Straight. या ग्रुप पर भेज दूंगी. Leave it. I will send it in the group. ये ना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है. Can you wait for a minute? एक सेकंड जरा रुको. I'm stop sharing. Just kindly give me the time. I'm just opening your another PDF also. और इसको दोबारा से शेयर करूँ. ओके. नेट भी मेरे ख्याल से स्लो आ रहा है. सो दैट इज द रीजन. नेट का भी है. धीरे धीरे आज काम कर रहा है. Basic computer organization, types of softwares and Boolean as well as I'm opening today, right? Types of softwares. Yeah, it is there. So we should complete the software one. स्लो प्रोसेस हो रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा स्लो हो रहा है. चलो, anyway, let us see that we will be able to start the Boolean one or not. क्योंकि today I'm facing some problem. It is so slow. Okay, in your book, the number 1 chapter, there's a computer organization, right? So with this, there will be the PDF, this PDF also, whatever I'm opening. Okay. With this theory, recently I discussed that one, input output devices. With this, there is this one also. So types of software, first of all, I think we should complete this. Then after that, we will start the Boolean algebra and the number system. Okay, that is also the course of term 1. Till then, please, again, kindly revise your all the chapters of Python. If you have any doubt, then we can discuss a particular topic once again. Right, bachcho? Ki, first of all, you need to discuss, uh, you need to complete till strings only. Okay, less so later on also we can do. Otherwise, if you want that we have already discussed in the classes, the list portion also you can do in the classes, right? Because there will be the burden in the term 2 after that. Otherwise, okay, so list also we have already done. So if you want, then you can discuss the list also. Otherwise, this is totally a theory chapter. That portion, that particular PDF, it was very easy. Okay, क्योंकि आप बचपन से करते आ रहे हो. Starting से the same thing, input devices, output devices, the different kinds of hardware, software. So this is the topic for the software, types of software. You need to learn that. Okay, the 1 marker questions can be asked from there, right? MCQs it means. Software is an organized instructions or code written by the programmer. What is software? Already we are doing our programming in the software. Which kind of software? Python, right? The software is an organized instructions code written by programmers using any of the various special computer language for specific purpose. For generating the programs, for generating the softwares, okay? Its purpose is this. Okay, there are different kinds of softwares, types of softwares. So here is the difference between these three, right? Types of softwares. So first of all, system software, application software, utility software. So system software, what is system software? What is system software? Is there anyone knows about
operating system?
Exactly, very good. Operating system or the software, okay, right? The compiler, interpreter, it means the kind of internal system software, okay? जो आपके कंप्यूटर के जो प्रोग्राम्स हैं उसे चलाने में जो हेल्प करता है, right? That is called the system software. Control the basic function of the computer, hides complexity of the computer system from the user and the application software. Okay, that is the function of system software. Operating system जिसमें example हो गया. Whenever you are running your program, in fact, if you are doing something in your Python as well, so which kind of software? On which kind of software you are running that particular program? Operating system on the system software. Okay, do you know that what is booting? What is booting? Good morning. What is booting? बेटा पिटाई करूंगी मैं अब आपकी. What is booting? Whenever you are opening your computer,
I'm starting up the computer.
Reloading of the system files. Booting means the reloading the system files. Whenever you are opening your system, आप क्या करते हो? जैसे सिस्टम ऑन करते हो तो थोड़ा सा टाइम लगाता है. पहले जो पुराने सिस्टम में होता था क्या होता था? वो पूरी नंबरिंग चलती हुई आती थी, जिस तरीके से मूवी के स्टार्टिंग में नहीं आता है पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन, तो इसी तरीके से पूरा सिस्टम में आता था ना पहले भी, राइट? तो वो स्टार्ट होने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगाता है. जब स्टार्ट होने में 1 or 2 minutes, आजकल तो इतना भी नहीं लगता. जस्ट whenever you are starting that, within a second it is starting that particular. यानी कि वो क्या कर रहा है, जो भी वो टाइम ले रहा है, if it is taking in the second or in the minute, right, it means it is reloading the system files. जो भी system files का जो भी requirement है, जो system file आपका load हो रहा है, उसको it is loading that, reloading the system files. Okay, good. Right? Now, application software. What do you mean by the application software? If handles the specialized or common tasks as a user want to perform, such as banking, hotel management, or any data processing or word processing, if you're using for a specific purpose in your system, but this application software, but इसके लिए कोई speciality की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can also generate the different softwares. Like, I'm just telling you, better generate a program in the Python for calculating, for a calculator. तो आपने क्या किया, कैलकुलेटर एक बना दिया और दे दिया, right, for the use. So what is this? This will be the application software. A programmer can generate very easily in the specific programming language like the C++, in the Python, or okay, for a specific purpose such as banking, hotel management or any data processing. That is the example of application software. लेकिन जो सिस्टम में पहले से सिस्टम को चलाने में हेल्प करते हैं कौन सा होता है? सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. Utility software. Utility software which has to manage, maintain or control computer resources just like antivirus software, backup software or disk tools. Is this okay?
Told us there will be an internal activity for Python also.
Exactly, for the internal activity of the Python also, right? Which helps. जैसे utility software का एक example तो इसने खुद ही दे दिया इतना अच्छा सा जो सब बच्चों को पता है, right? Antivirus software, okay, or backup software or disk tools also as well as, okay. System software, now it is describing the different kinds of system softwares. Operating system, what is operating system? Controls and manages the computer sources and the computers. Application software can run on it. Okay. Operating system is a system program that controls and manages the computer sources. Actually, what is this? It is the interface between the computer and the user. Right? जो हार्डवेयर आपका है, मशीन है, जो यूजर है, उसके बीच में जो इंटरेक्शन करवा रहा है वो कौन है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. सिस्टम इज अ सिस्टम कंट्रोल एंड मैनेजेस द कंप्यूटर सोर्सेस. Resource manager that application software can run on it. Microsoft Windows, Solaris, ठीक है? All these are kind of examples of operating system, ठीक है? Types of software, how operating system works. Operating system आपका कैसे work करता है? सबसे पहले I told you recently that this is the interface between the user and the hardware. Okay, it is the interface between these two. So basically ये क्या करेगा? Hardware will connect with the operating system definitely because this is a mediator between these two. Operating system will connect with the software where we are working on that, and software with the software we are dealing with the software. So its work will be like this, right? Types of software. There are different kinds of operating system as well. There are different kinds of operating system as well. Just say, let's say there is different kinds of. Can you tell me one example of operating system? One example of operating system.
iOS.
iOS. Operating system का एक example.
Ma'am, iOS, Windows.
Linux.
Any another?
Linux.
Linux, very good. Anything else?
Android.
Android. DOS. DOS सुना है कभी? Disk operating system.
नहीं मैम.
This is the very oldest version they are, right? अभी तो जो latest applications आ रही है ना, वो आपकी क्या कर रही हैं? That is working on the Linux. Linux पर आना शुरू हो गया है. जो जितना भी latest application हो गया मार्केट में, Android हो गया आपका, Linux हो गया, इस पे आ गया. लेकिन basically सबसे पहले जो भी आप अपने स्कूल में भी जैसे सिस्टम पर कर रहे हैं, ये कुछ भी है, या हमारा C++ वर्क करता था, जो भी जितनी भी ओल्ड एप्लीकेशंस आपकी वर्क करती थी, that was handy with the DOS only, disk operating system, जिसे आप कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट कहते हो. कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट ओपन करते हो ना सिस्टम से. आर यू वर्किंग? ये वानी इतनी लेट क्यों आ रही है? वेरी गुड. यस वानी, व्हाट हैपेंड? Actually, these people does not want to listen anything, does not want to give their time. Okay, so I was telling about the command prompt, right? Command prompt you can open in this way. ये देखो. This window. This is also operating system. DOS आ गया आपका. ठीक है? Here also. Have you seen to hardware engineer कि वो क्या करता है? यहीं से तो अपने जितने भी हैं, let's say MD और CD करके यहीं से generate कर देता है. Let's say मैंने एक डायरेक्टरी बना दी. CD Tina. अब यहाँ पर where I am working there. See in users, in Tina kind of folder I created there. Okay, so here I can work there. अब टीना के अंदर भी मैं एक और फोल्डर बना सकती हूँ. इसे MD करके मैंने यहाँ पर आरव एक फोल्डर बना दिया. ठीक है, CD आरव. ये देखो. Is this okay? So it means whenever you will do that, और जब आप इस पर्टिकुलर डेस्टिनेशन पर जाओगे, सी में यूजर्स में ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में जाकर ओपन करोगे ना, तो आरएफ नाम का एक फोल्डर बना हुआ मिलेगा आपको टीना के अंदर, यूजर्स के अंदर, राइट? सो दिस इज योर कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट. इट मीन द डॉस यू कैन सी. एनीवे, तो they are the different operating system for the specific and different purposes, right? Processor management हो गया आपका, load schedules, execute process and programs, memory management, allocates or deallocates of memory for program executions, device management, communicate and controls various input output devices, storage management. Okay, manage and control the storage device to provide the space to the program for execution and data safe application interface, user interface. For these kind of functions the operating system can use. Process management. Yes, process management. Basically, what will be the process of the system between the CPU and the input output devices? So what will be the process they are in the program? Let's say I'm running my program in the computer in the Python. So what will be the process, internal process for that? Process is a program in execution is known as the process. Handling of multiple processes at the time are known as process management. Okay, let's say this time I'm just opening this file, I'm just running my program, and I'm doing all this process with the help of this app, Microsoft Team, right? So multiple tasking at the same time, and the managing all these tasks will be under the process management. Process states, a process is typically in one of the three states, running at the CPU, blocked, waiting for the input output, another thread. It means sometimes you can see कि multiple times if you are offering the different application there, तो it will take time. आप इंटरनेट पे भी ये चीज चेक कर सकते हो, और फटाफट कोई भी चीज करो तो इट इज टेकिंग टाइम. तो क्या कर देता है, ब्लॉक करता है, वेट करता है, आगे के लिए एक प्रोसेस, एक डेस्टिनेशन प्रोवाइड करता है. इट मीन्स एड्रेस प्रोवाइड करता है वन बाय वन. लेट्स से एट द सेम टाइम यू आर क्लिकिंग ऑन द 3 एप्लीकेशंस, तो वो वन बाय वन ही तो ओपन होगी ना. इट मीन्स इट इज प्रोवाइडिंग अ पर्टिकुलर डेस्टिनेशन. ये इंटरनेट पर भी प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है. At the same time, you can open that particular thing on the internet also, right? So it means it is providing a particular address there in the waiting situation, the blocked, ready to run on the ready list, waiting for the CPU, then it will ready there. Now, is this okay? Kindly read it for a minute. सारे बच्चे रीड करो. टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर, टाइप्स ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. यस आरव, बेटा वॉइस नहीं आ रही है तेरी. You're not audible में. Yeah. बेटा कट हो रही है बार बार, पर आई डोंट नो कि मुझे प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं आ रही है, सारे बच्चों को आ रही है, आई डोंट नो, क्योंकि आज मेरा भी थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क में प्रॉब्लम है. यू कैन राइट इन द चैट, आई कैन रीड इट फ्रॉम दियर. आरव शर्मा.
Ma'am, you were about to give us that internal activity, ma'am. Now that exams are over, can you give?
This is not clear to me. एक बार फिर से. You can write in the chat option. I'm just waiting for you. Write it there.
I was saying that you were about to give us that internal activity before exam started, ma'am.
हाँ.
हम तो वो अभी दे दो.
Internal activity. Yeah. I told that you need to design. You can take any of the topic. Okay, you can take any of the topic and small software you need to design. Got it? समझ आई मेरी बात? It means any topic you can take till the list. We have done the few portion there. So by applying all these chapters and the topics, then you can apply this in your software, and you need to generate a topic. जैसे last time the student were generating some games. ठीक है, कुछ बच्चों ने मुझे गेम्स डिजाइन करके दिखाया था, कुछ बच्चों ने मुझे कोई स्पेसिफिक एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर तो कुछ भी हो सकता है ना, तो कुछ एप्लीकेशन डिजाइन करके दिखाई थी. लेट्स से कुछ स्टूडेंट से रिलेटेड डाटा जनरेट करने के लिए एप्लीकेशन, और कुछ ऐसा रिलेटेड टू दैट कि बैंकिंग मैनेजमेंट, स्टूडेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, स्कूल मैनेजमेंट, और एनी गेम यू कैन स्टार्ट, एनी टॉपिक यू कैन टेक ऑफ योर चॉइस. Okay, one more thing, you can make the group of 1 or 2 people. जैसे दो बच्चे या 3 बच्चे भी in fact, but I will suggest only to 2 people. ठीक है, then you can make group of 2 people or 3 people. Okay, then after that individually also as well you can do, but 2 people also. Let's say this is a compulsory part in the class 12th. So actually I discuss all these things. This is not the compulsory, but I need to we need to follow this activity also in the class 11th. Actually we were doing the same thing in our class 11th as well. So this time in the class 12, the 12th students are continuing with the same program, with the same project. अभी उनको CBSE से दिखाना है ना, सिनॉप्सिस भी भेजने हैं और प्रोजेक्ट भी भेजना है पूरा. तो उन्होंने जो 11th में बनाया था ना, काफी बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा बनाया था, तो उन्होंने सेम प्रोजेक्ट को कंटिन्यू किया है 12th क्लास में विद एडिशनल और एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज. क्योंकि आपका बेसिकली 12th में हम और भी चीजें बहुत सारी पढ़ लेते हैं, तो बच्चों ने क्या किया, एक्स्ट्रा उसमें और भी एडिशन डालकर जो कंपल्शन है अकॉर्डिंग टू द CBSE करिकुलम, तो दे आर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग दैट, they are updating that existing software of their class 11, क्योंकि उन्होंने उसमें भी बहुत मेहनत की थी, कई बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए थे लास्ट टाइम. सो आई डिस्कस द सेम थिंग विद यू ऑल्सो, दैट यू नीड टू जनरेट. में आप ग्रुप बना लो 2 या 3 बच्चों का, ठीक है, आपस में पार्टनर्स, एंड यू कैन डिवाइड योर पार्ट ऑल्सो. ये वाला पार्ट ये करेगा, ये वाला पार्ट ये करेगा, देन अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू कैन जनरेट. Then at the time of practical examination, I will take the viva on that and see your project. Got it? Any doubt in that? Acha, one more thing. One more thing for your help, I'm just saying, ki you can use any library as well. You can take any library as well. Okay, which kind of library I'm saying? Like Tkinter, Pygame, any additional library of your choice you can use. But this is not according to our course curriculum. ये हमारे कोर्स करिकुलम के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं है और इसका बहुत डिस्क्रिप्शन भी नहीं मैं दे पाऊंगी आपको, ठीक है। बट इफ यू हैव एनी आइडिया एंड इफ यू वांट टू टेक नॉलेज इन दैट, then from the Google you can search that and you can take the different ideas and you can use all this if you want. But there is not any compulsion from my side because this is not according to the course curriculum. राइट लेकिन उसको कुछ अच्छा लुक देने के लिए कुछ बच्चे पाई गेम जैसे इफ दे आर जनरेटिंग देयर पाइथन गेम्स, okay, then they can use the pygame library or they can use their tkinter for giving the graphical or some designing way, okay. So these libraries are also very useful. If you want, then you can explore that and you can use it, okay. CBSE course is compulsory, but additional libraries, if you want, then you can use. This is your choice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, got it? I will send one. Let's say still I'm just taking the queries from the class 12. So I will send one Google form as well. Otherwise, in the computer science group, okay, I will. Okay, no doubt. I will send some Google Doc to all of you. Okay, then kindly decide about your partner, about your topic within 2 or 3 days. Then after that, you can send me the details of that. Then, ma'am, this is my partner and this is my topic. Is this okay, bachcho? Right, I'm taking your attendance. Just wait. If you have any doubt regarding to that, then you can ask. Today is 24. Yes. Akansha.
Present, ma'am.
Arav Grewal.
Present, ma'am.
Arav Sharma. Agnish.
Present, ma'am.
Aishwarya.
Present, ma'am.
Akshita.
Present, ma'am.
Aman Tomar. Aman Tomar. Anshika Hun.
Present, ma'am.
Arumita. Arumita. Ayush Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Ayush Sharma. Ayush Sinha. Sorry, Aryan Sinha. Aryan Sinha.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Bhavya Bhardwaj.
Present, ma'am.
Bhavya Mishra.
Present,
Bhavya
ma'am.
Mishra. Daman. Daman.
Present, ma'am.
Devansh. Devansh. Ishita.
Present, ma'am.
Drishan Malik. Drishan Malik. Galaxy.
Present, ma'am.
Gautam Kakkar. Gautam Kakkar. Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Himanshu.
Present, ma'am.
Jayant.
Ma'am, have you marked my attendance, Himanshu? Is I'm audible?
हाँ बेटा, yes, yes, yes. जय कनक,
Present, ma'am.
काना, काना, कुंजल,
Present, ma'am.
लक्ष्य बंसल.
Present, ma'am.
ऐसे बोलते हैं जैसे लक्ष्य बोल रहे हैं, बाकी काफी बच्चों की आवाज ही नहीं आती है. लिनॉय,
Present, ma'am.
प्रज्ञा, प्रज्ञा, ऋषभ, ऋषभ सिंह, सॉरी ऋषभ गिरसा, रोहन सोलंकी, रोहन सोलंकी, साहिल बीस्ट,
Present, ma'am.
संकेत, शाश्वती बारी,
Present, ma'am.
शाश्वती बारी,
Present, ma'am.
शिवांश सिंह देसवाल,
Present, ma'am.
श्रिया मिश्रा, श्रिया मिश्रा,
Present, ma'am.
हिमांशु कुमार बैरवा, ये तो अच्छा 2 बार आ गया ना इसका नाम. सिद्धांत जैन, सिद्धांत जैन, वानी, वानी, वंशिका,
Ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, present. I got disconnected.
Rishabh Girsa is present, right? Okay, I will mark. Yes.
Ma'am, Shreya Mishra.
हाँ, श्रिया मिश्रा, my mark there, beta. Right. You can write in the chat option जिनकी नहीं हुई है. ठीक है, ऋषभ गिरसा का था और